Morning to you. My name is Dallas Gordon. Once again, ecomcashqueen.com, your e-commerce business coach and marketing success strategist. If you have been struggling with your traffic and sales, I am here to help you to get noticed, to get traffic, and to get bank. I'm also a mompreneur of 3 and a success motivator because I love helping individuals reach their highest potential and develop into their best self. Guys, so why does your business need Pinterest? Why? So like I was saying, guys, with the algorithm changes on Facebook and on other social media platforms, it is so important to diversify. I see everybody is hitting the panic button because we run Facebook ads, we post our links on Facebook, we have our Facebook groups, we have our Facebook pages. Everything is about Facebook, right? So we are hitting the panic button about these algorithms because these algorithms are not loyal. Now, I want to ask you a question. Why would, you have to remember that Facebook is a business just like you and I. Why would they be loyal, to some of us small business owners? Facebook, they are a monetized platform and you have to pay to play. And you got to think a lot of the giants are playing on that platform, such as Amazon, such as Walmart, and platforms like that are spending billions of dollars in advertising. So whatever is best for Facebook's pockets, as a business, as well as from a social standpoint, because it is number one, supposedly be a social platform. That's what Facebook is going to do. So I know that some people don't really, you guys can feel free to ask me any questions you want in the comments. I'll be checking them out. I know some people don't really get with Pinterest like that. And the reason that they don't is because they don't understand the platform, okay? It's so important that you diversify your marketing strategies. You got to diversify. You got to change it up a little bit, right? And some people don't do Pinterest because they don't understand Pinterest. So let me kind of break it down to you. Do any of you actually use Pinterest? Do you enjoy using Pinterest? Do you pin your images? I want to hear a hello, a yes. I use Pinterest. Go ahead and pop that into the comments, okay? So if you use Pinterest, what do you do on Pinterest? You scroll to see what you can find. You look for ideas. Maybe you're redecorating your home. Maybe you have a project to do with a child. Maybe you want to put together an outfit for an event, but you scroll for ideas, right? Exactly, Anita, and that's a lot of people, right? And Sapphire 57 says somewhat. And Janine says she loves Pinterest because of me. That's a good thing, lady. So you use Pinterest because you scroll for ideas and you're able to save them later. It is your big virtual pin board, right? Your big virtual bulletin board, right? So that's why we use Pinterest. Now, imagine you go to Pinterest, you're redecorating your house. You're looking for that perfect chair, lounge chair. So you're scrolling, you're trying to find the right color. So you find the perfect chair. You haven't been able to find that chair anywhere, guys, right? So what do? You click the image, you get to the website, you see the chair is on sale, you get excited, and what do? You buy. 3 steps. You come, you see, and you buy. Now, imagine being on the other side of the magic. Imagine you being that business that posted that chair, and all you had to do was pin that chair and do nothing else. And guess what happens? Somebody comes in, they see your chair, they click through, they buy your chair. So that's what's so powerful about the Pinterest platform. Without ads, it is powered on itself. Now, you can run ads on Pinterest, but the platform is powered by its users and by its users' interests. You don't have to talk to nobody. You don't have to do a live broadcast. Hello, Janine. Do you see the vision here? You come, you see, you buy. It is so straightforward. It is one of the largest platforms with ready-to-buy users ever in the world because the process is so easy. On Facebook, by the time you get to the end of the day, you sweating. Scheduling posts. You got to broadcast yourself. You got to keep up with a million groups. You got to keep up with your own groups. You got to keep up with your Facebook fan page. You got to possibly run ads for more visibility, right? Yes, definitely, Anita. Definitely hire someone to set up your account for you. And some people do specialize in managing Pinterest accounts, right? So this is an awesome opportunity, okay, for you to jump in and capitalize. Let me tell you something. My number one traffic from my business come from Pinterest. Come from a simple action, and it can actually be automated. And I pinned a link below, guys, to my clinic that I'm having on January 27th at 10 a.m. Plus, it includes a 7-day support group where we are covering advanced Pinterest strategies. All the secrets. We're covering automation, automating your Pinterest account, putting it on autopilot, okay, what apps to use and how to use them, optimization, how to optimize those boards and keywords. And number 3, guys, is collaboration. How to collaborate with other pinners, join hubs, and group boards. How you can utilize it. It's going to be only 90 minutes. You're going to get the replay. Then you're going to be put in a support group for 7 days where you can get hands-on support. So that's below at bit.ly. Pinterest-Clinic 1. And guess what? It's on sale right now if you get it now for only $37. You can't beat that. It's going to go up to $67 the Friday before the class. So jump on that. So imagine you're being on the other side of the driver's seat in Pinterest. The other side. Maybe I said that wrong. Not the driver's seat. Maybe the other side of the passenger seat. And you're driving that baby. And you're getting traffic to your website, huh? And Janine says, put in good keywords that people will search for. Exactly. I'm going to be sharing with you tools I use to research those keywords. And this tool is actually a free tool that I'm going to be teaching you about to research those keywords, guys, so that you can put them in your titles, in your board descriptions, okay? And that way you can optimize your Pinterest pins and boards. There is a system to it, okay? But it's very easy to do. So it's super exciting, okay? So let's talk about some of the benefits of Pinterest. We have free marketing. Free marketing. You can get so far for free on Pinterest. At no point, at this point, do you need to run an ad. Now, I don't know how that's going to change, okay, as the platform continues to grow because it's huge. I don't know how that's going to change. So get yourself established now and at least set up your account. It's free to upgrade to a business account at this point. It's free to access your analytics. Join now while it's free. Okay, you have free marketing that you don't have to pay for, right? And I call Pinterest the cash cow. Pinterest is definitely bae. Okay, I have over 1 billion eyes on my Pinterest boards every single day. That's a lot of people, guys. That's a lot of users. That's a lot of traffic that you could be sending to your product, sending to your services, sending to your offers for completely free. It's a no-brainer to me, guys. It is a no-brainer. Your business needs to diversify. You need not put all of your marketing eggs in one basket. Thanks for that, love. You got to diversify so that you can stay ahead of the trend. Marketing trends are going to come and marketing trends are going to go. I'm talking to you guys about a marketing strategy that's free, okay? That is a no-brainer that your users have already been conditioned to buy. So a little bit about the platform, guys. It's mainly women on the platform. There are men as well, okay? And they love baking stuff, they love home stuff, and they love fashion, okay? And Pinterest has a lot of analytics that will show you in the background what people are clicking on the most. They will give you all that information. So if you study your analytics, it's super easy to grow your business account. So kind of like to tell you what my day-to-day looks like on Pinterest. You know, I use automation tools and apps as well, but I'm pretty much, yes, they are definitely shoppers. Women are those shoppers that you want. I am pinning. Pinning takes 2 seconds. I'm researching keywords, and I'm creating boards. I'm also joining group boards and collaborating with other pinners to give my pins more steam. And that's what we're going to be talking about in our Pinterest group coaching clinic. So do you guys have any questions about Pinterest? Why it can work for your business, how it can work for your business? And I mean, I don't care what kind of business that you have. It doesn't matter. Okay, we have people on Pinterest like Office Depot, Staples, selling office supplies and doing it creatively. There are so many ways that you can present your pins on Pinterest to spark interest, to get eyes on your pins. And we're going to be talking about all of those tips and tricks inside of the clinic. So I want you guys to click below, grab your early bird spot for $37. Price is going up to $67 the Friday before class. Get it out of the way before you forget. Grab your spot now. Do you guys have any questions about Pinterest? If you're coming in on the replay, this replay is going to be up here for about 24 hours. Drop your Pinterest questions below, and I would love to come back and answer them for you. Okay, so do not miss out on this wonderful opportunity to capitalize on traffic that's already been kind of like curated. It's already been curated for you. These buyers have already been prepared for you. You don't have to take them through a process. All you have to do is present your stuff before them. They jump on the bandwagon, they come, they see, they buy. It's a 3-part process, and it is awesome. So I'll be looking out for questions, guys. I'll come back and read the comments. Once again, it's your girl, Dallas Gordon, ecomcashqueen.com. Be sure to connect with me on social media. I have a wonderful free mastermind on Facebook called the Ecom Profit Tribe. You can get there quickly by going to bit.ly/ecom-cash. I'm also on all of my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere at Ecom Cash Queen. If you're looking for a coach to get your business to the next level as far as traffic and conversions, I'm your girl. If you're looking to learn to sell online and use e-commerce to create a life of financial freedom for you and your family, I am your girl. So have a wonderful, blessed day. I hope you guys enjoyed this talk. I hope that this encourages you and motivates you to get your business on Pinterest and to diversify your marketing strategies if you have not already. So you guys have a wonderful, prosperous day. Don't forget that nobody can get in your way but you. Keep your eyes to the prize. Keep going forward and make it happen today. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.